Cats are not even real animals.
Every day I'm shuffling.
This content worth a subscribe.